I'm going to take apart this quartz watch and to see what's inside. The first thing I had already done was to remove the strap. The next thing was to remove the base plate or back plate. Now I'll remove the battery. It's 1.55 volts. Now inside here is the main mechanism. I removed the crown and stem, so this means I can actually remove the whole of the mechanism out from the watch casing. Now the crystal, all the glass can be removed. I took these are metal plates that hold the mechanism together. I've taken them off. They will also be part of the connection for the battery. Now I very carefully prise this off so all the hands fall off along with the face plate or watch face. And there are 3 small hands. I'm now putting them away into a container. Now I won't be putting this back together again, it would be too difficult. It's not designed to be put back together or to be repaired. Now these are the cogs. Now I'm taking the black moulded section apart. Most of the mechanism is underneath that. And you've got the gear train underneath, and these are the cogs that go with it. Now the electronics and the motor is here. I'm taking out, I think it's the motor first. Now the next section I want to take out is the coil. That's a step motor. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you got the value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And if you want to see more DIY videos, then please go onto my channel.